Hello, my name is Stephen Volba. I'm so excited to share my two pergolas that I have had installed by Elite LA Patios. They were so easy to work with and just so cost effective. And I wanted to build two spaces in my outdoor living space here, right? One right underneath my outdoor kitchen and an area where we have dinner, lunches, sit out during the summer months, have outdoor movie parties, hang out with friends and family, and be able to enjoy the outdoor living experience without being beat by the summer sun. The process has been really, really great. Natasha was really so much fun to sit down and design with. She really listened to me as far as what I needed for the space. Michael came out. He ensured that everything was done properly. A few months later, coming back and making sure everything still was working properly, the electrical work, the structure itself. So that was really, really a great experience overall. After looking at so many different outdoor living space products, 4K was a wonderful product. I love the clean lines. I love the simplicity to it. I love the open air of having a white pergola that helps expand the space. It reflects light. It's super beautiful, and it's held up through rain. It's held up through all of the storms that we've had here in Southern California, and it's been just really, really great. Elite LA Patios, you are the best. Thank you so much for enriching my life here in West Covina, and all my friends and family really do enjoy it. So I couldn't thank you guys enough. Thank you.